Music is such a passion point with our customers. We try and make every part of the journey as memorable as possible. We use our 3Plus app to reward our customers with that's pre-sale tickets, after-show parties, pre-show parties, upgrades. For us, it's about enhancing a customer's journey. We never want to get in the way of their night and why they're really there, and that is to enjoy the music and connect with their friends. Live music connects people like nothing else. Three is a brand built on connection, so it's a natural fit for us. Our sponsorships also let us go beyond just mobile services and allow us to reward our customers with experiences that really matter to them. By Three investing in venues and festivals, we're investing in the future of Irish music. Music is in Three's DNA, and we are committed to continuing what we've started. From giving customers unforgettable experiences to helping Irish talent break through, we genuinely feel we're making an impact, and we're excited to see what's ahead.